This is Damon Stevenson with Builders, and this day is Monday, November 8th, 2021. And this is a stock market update for trades of the day. So let's take a look at what's going on in the marketplace. So you can see our FANG stocks, overall are kind of, flat to pull back a little bit here. So see here that there was definitely a mix in the market. Definitely, if you're looking at Dow Jones, it was up 0.29%, NASDAQ up 0.07%, and S&P 500 up 0.09%. So very flat for the market today. And I think they're losing a little bit of energy. So just something to watch out for as we look into the rest of this week. And you'll notice on the title of my video today, I put on there Turnaround Tuesday. So Tuesday, looking for a possible pullback between now and Wednesday. So not a huge one necessarily, but definitely I think we've exhausted a little bit and we're either going to start going flat for a while, or we may have a little bit of a pullback here. So just be careful. Make sure you're taking trades along the way on your trades and keep yourself safe. Looking at the world heat map, you can see that the world heat map overall, that there is pretty much a mix there. China was overall strong. See if that rolls into tomorrow, but right now you can see a little bit of a mix there across the board. So see if that mix continues to roll our way. Looking at the scanner, PPSI was the trade of the day, and NEGG. Well, actually, there's a few of them. I had a few of these on my list. One or two I really had trades on is PPSI and NEGG. So let's take a look at those charts. PPSI, this one was just kind of a all-day thing for me. There's opportunities all throughout the day. So looking for a continuation play tomorrow. So this will be on a short list tomorrow. So if you're looking for stock to trade, you can add this to your list, the one for watching out for. You can see here that we gapped up from $3 up to $7, down to $5.70, skyrocket up to $12.44, back down to $9.40, and back up to $10.31. So a lot of play on this one. So this one was really good to us today. I did trade this one and pleased about what happened. Also, Tesla was the other one that just gave us a good play on a pullback, but we'll talk about that here in a little bit. NEGG, nice pull up, 1187 up to 1872. So just a nice pull up. You had a little bit of a pause, and you're able just to kind of catch this grind up here on the 10. So looking for a continuation play, possibly tomorrow on NEGG. EVGO, you can see here that we had a nice run up here at 982 up to 1440. And even if you missed it on the scanner the first time, 1265, had a pullback here to 1144 before it hit the rally. And so we'll see if we get continuation there. You can see here we're sitting on the 20. So that's still bullish. So we'll look at this on our short list tomorrow for a continuation play. Looking at earnings overall, sorry that this is kind of out of focus. I'll try to get a new chart, but for some reason this came across a little fuzzy. But you see here, I did look for the stocks in the afternoon, nothing in the morning. And ROLEX was the one I played today. It was very nice, very happy at the end of the day. So we'll take a look at ROLEX. So you can see here, 75.55. It's a low here, good earnings, run up to 105. So caught some of this here on the way up here. Got a little bit of pullback here, down to 98. Got a little bit of run back up again to 102. And then I just got out, and then you can see just kind of flatten off here. So we'll see if ROLEX gives us something tomorrow. But for an after-hour trade, I loved it. It was the best one out of the bunch, and I was watching all of them after hours. So a good play here. So if you're ever looking for after hours and earnings, this one was the one for today. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'm looking forward to it. IONQ, you can see here, IONQ, 2164 was a high here. We had a pullback here to 1950, run back up to 2112, and then I grind up to 2134. So still looking bullish. This remains on our list, the multi-day trade, looking for continuation and breakout over 2164 up to at least 2223. Airbnb, nice rally up. It has spike up to 112.07, so this resistance level, and totally rejected off of that. Actually even broke below this resistance level at 203 and settled here right at around 200. Got a lot of those round numbers. So we'll see what Airbnb tries to do in the morning. Does it pull back here, back down to 192 down here, 190 area? Does it break back out here and start to head back towards that resistance area where it hit it at around 212? So looking for a play here on Airbnb tomorrow. So just be careful. It's volatile. You can see the volatility in it. So just be careful if you're trading it. Facebook hit the resistance level. We had a nice pullback here. We're actually into the gap, closing the gap out. Looking to see if this will close out tomorrow. 335 would be a close of that gap, and then possibly a bounce or a failure here. But looking for Facebook to continue that that closure of the gap, possibly in the morning. Tesla, nice run up in the morning. Let me just go show you this chart. So if you're looking for just a good day trade, this was a good day trade. Let me show you what it did here on the open. So you can see here we're up here at 1230. On the open, we break clear back down here to 1133 and rally right back up to 1194. So, you know, nice support here on our support level here and our bottom trend line. So the trend line was definitely good support for the Tesla, and it rallied right back up onto the 100 here, just running right underneath this 100, is pulling back down here, down to the 200. If it breaks 1150, looking for another short opportunity again tomorrow. If it does get below that number, if it stays off the support here, we'll see if we get a bounce. Tesla is definitely on the watch list. It's giving us a good play here. So liking it. NVIDIA, we're just sitting here consolidating this little channel here. So got to look for a breakout above that resistance level at 313. KLAC consolidating, a little bit of pullback here. So as you're seeing, all these stocks are all pulling back just a little bit. So this is why I'm curious if we're gonna have a turnaround Tuesday. We're kind of have a little bit of pullback tomorrow. Look at EVGO, low exhaustion here at the resistance level. So, and it pulled back just a little bit off that resistance level. So again, a little bit of weakness there. Looking at our other stocks here, the bonds, US bonds here, you can see just consolidating here above the 100. So much to say about that. VIX had a little bit of a spike up to our 50 over the 20. We talked about this last night that this could happen. It did pull back here, so that's good. Hopefully it stays under this 18 level. If it gets above 18 here or around this 200 here, definitely gonna have another pullback here. So looking for you know, this to start showing a little bit of a spike here. So just watch the VIX here. If the VIX does spike up here, definitely look for a pullback in the market. SPY sitting here right close to that upper trend line here. We talked about it, you know, this run up here, and so, you know, looking for a pullback here. Now, could it bounce up? Yeah, it could bounce up here. We have a markup here at 478. So it could rally up above that, but right now it's consolidating. So look for continued consolidation or a pullback. Triple Q's got above our trend line, but found resistance and pulled back a little bit here. So looking for it to pull back below this line here, maybe 395, 393, 92, somewhere in this area for a little bit of pullback on the triple Q's. Semiconductors, nice little spike up here. So we hit a new high here. I'm just going to stretch this up here, 304. Got to pull back here a little bit. So looking to see if we just stay in a channel now here, or if we're going to pull back here back to this resistance level around 295. IWN, nice little spike through a resistance level and then a failure back out, down about halfway, retraced halfway through our support line here. So looking to see if we can get you know, enough rally to continue up, but you know, this could be the pullback because everything is just showing the same pattern, you know, for the most part, of just kind of exhaustion at the top. Dow Jones, nice little spike through our resistance level and then a pullback just underneath it. So it didn't pull it through as well. Looking to see if it can break 365 to rally back up here. But if not, it might pull back here a little bit. Financials, the only thing that is just kind of flat, and not running much of anything. So it's a little different where all the rest of them look like they're about ready to rest a little bit here, or have a little bit of a pullback here. Gold above our resistance level, continues to be above there, stayed above that 1800, which is great to see. Haven't been there for a while, and see if we can rally up here to 1834, and then just continue on, hopefully to highs again. So you see 1834 here, 1834 here. So we are hitting right around that area. So definitely expect some resistance, because it definitely was resistance almost to the number before. So just keep that in mind. If you're playing in gold, there's going to definitely be resistance level to break through. So silver, if you look at silver here, it's right under 200. Got to break out to get back up here to this 2482 area. 2486 was the last time. So you can see, again, we have a strong resistance level coming up here that we got to break through for silver. Bitcoin broke out, got a new high. It's holding support right here, looking for a continuation play up to the 70,000 mark. So looking good. So Bitcoin finally consolidation, breakout, and it's holding. So that's a good sign. Ethereum broke out, continuation play here up towards 5,000 is where our next goal is going to be headed towards. So looking good. XRP, same thing, broke out of resistance. Now it found a resistance here at this support line here, at the resistance line, and you see it's just right underneath it. Can it pop up and rally back above that? We will see, but still nice bullish momentum here on Ethereum, so, or XRP. So just keep that in mind. The cryptos are looking nice and strong. Careful out there. Make sure you're taking profits. Got our short list for tomorrow. Continue watching the scanners. Continue to look for a possible pullback on turnaround Tuesday, and we'll see what happens, and we'll give you an update tomorrow on how everything went. Stay safe out there, and have a great night.